Picture this, it's December 31st, 2025, you've crushed your goals. Your finances are thriving. You're in the best shape of your life. And your relationships are stronger than ever. Sounds incredible, right? Now here's the thing. This isn't just a dream, it's achievable. And today I'm going to share a game-changing habit and a powerful 5-step blueprint to help you get there. Let's start with a question. How many times have you set New Year's resolutions, only to give up by February? It's not because you're lazy or unmotivated. It's because you're overwhelmed by trying to do it all at once. But what if I told you there's one habit that can turn it all around? This habit is daily reflection. It's simple, doesn't require fancy apps, and takes just 5 minutes. But it's the secret weapon behind every successful person you admire. Here's how it works. 1. At the end of each day, grab a journal and ask yourself 3 questions. Well, what went well today? What could I improve? What's my plan for tomorrow? This small, consistent practice rewires your brain for growth. It helps you stop living on autopilot and start making intentional choices. A few years ago, I was stuck, spinning my wheels doing 100 things, but getting nowhere. Then I started this habit. It felt awkward at first, but within a month, everything changed. I noticed patterns, cut out distractions, and focused on what truly mattered. By the end of the year, I hit my fitness goals, doubled my income, and rebuilt my confidence. All because I made reflection non-negotiable. But reflection is just the beginning. To truly make 2025 your breakout year, you need a system. Here are 5 steps that will completely transform your life. Step 1, quiet the noise. We're constantly bombarded by opinions, social media, advertisements, even well-meaning friends and family. This noise drowns out the most important voice, your own. Set aside non-negotiable time every day to disconnect. No phone, no distractions, just you and your thoughts. Ask yourself, what do I really want? What am I doing because I love it? What am I doing just to impress others? When you quiet the noise, you stop chasing trends and start building your life. Step 2, identify your path. Once the noise is gone, focus on one clear goal. Most people fail because they try to do everything at once. Instead, choose one area to dominate in 2025, whether it's fitness, career, or personal growth. Make it specific. Write down exactly where you want to be by December 31st, 2025. Then visualize it. Feel what it's like to achieve that goal. That clarity will be your compass. Step 3, pursue relentless action. Here's where most people fail. They wait for the perfect time to start. But the truth is, you'll never feel ready. Action creates clarity. Start messy. Take one tiny step today. If it's fitness, go for a 10-minute walk. If it's business, reach out to one potential client. Progress isn't about perfection. It's about starting. The step 4, build momentum through consistency. Success doesn't come from one big action. It comes from small, consistent habits repeated daily. For example, when I committed to fitness, I didn't overhaul my life overnight. I started with 30-minute workouts every day. Some days were great, others were a struggle, but I didn't miss a day. Over time, that habit transformed not just my body, but my mindset. Break your big goal into daily habits. Keep it simple. Focus on showing up even when it's hard. Step 5, surround yourself with the right people. Your environment will either push you forward or hold you back. Take a hard look at the people you spend the most time with. Are they helping you grow or keeping you stuck? Seek out people who inspire and challenge you. If you can't find them in person, join online communities or follow mentors who align with your goals. The right environment can change everything. Let's bring it all together to make 2025 your best year yet. 1. Reflect daily to stay aware and intentional. 2. Quiet the noise. 2. Reconnect with your inner wisdom. 3. Focus on one clear, specific goal. 4. Take relentless action, no matter how small. 5. Surround yourself with people who push you to be better. Knowing these steps isn't enough. Taking action is what changes your life. Here's your challenge. Tonight, spend 5 minutes reflecting. Write down one thing you're proud of, one thing you'll improve, and one action you'll take tomorrow. Your best year is waiting for you. The question is, are you ready to go after it? Let's make 2025 the year everything changes.